Electric smokers come with a myriad of advantages over their more traditional counterparts. They're simpler to use, much cleaner, and easier to maintain. They don't take up as much space, and some models can even be used indoors. But with so many different electric smokers on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric smokers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. PitBoss 2 Series Digital Electric Smoker. The PitBoss 2 Series Digital Electric Smoker is our top pick for the best master-built electric digital smoker. It's a well-built unit that's packed with features yet still manages to be easy to use. This unit has 4 cooking racks within the cooking chamber that can be placed in multiple positions, so that it is simple to smoke anything you want to. It also comes with a temperature probe and analog temperature control so that you can smoke with ease. The unit is powerful enough to reach a 350 Fahrenheit maximum temperature. And you can get up to 2 hours of smoke time between wood chip reloads because of the generously sized wood chip tray. Number 2. Charbroil Deluxe Digital Electric Smoker. The Charbroil Deluxe Digital Electric Smoker has the most square inches of cooking space of all the smokers I have tested. You can cook up to 6 whole chickens, 4 briskets, or 8 racks of ribs in this smoker. The front door has a large window for easy viewing of the cooking process, and the internal grates are made of heavy-duty steel construction that stands up to heat and washing without rusting. Above the door is an electronic control panel that is simple to use. You just need to set the cooking temperature and time on the digital panel, and then the smoker does the rest. Number 3. Royal Gourmet SE2801 Electric Smoker. The Royal Gourmet SE2801 Electric Smoker is one of the more budget-friendly options on this list. But don't let the low price fool you, this little smoker is not short on benefits. For example, there is a remote controller and integrated thermometer for convenient cooking temperature management. This smoker is also a very versatile machine. Depending on your setup, you can use it as a steamer, dryer, or smoker. The double-walled construction of the steel interior results in consistent temperatures, so that you can use it in all those varied capacities without worry. Number 4. Cuisinart COS 330 Vertical Electric Smoker. The Cuisinart COS 330 Vertical Electric Smoker is an excellent option for those looking for an easy-to-use smoker. There are just 3 racks, a wood chip tray, and a water pan, so it's easy to set up and use. Additionally, the doors seal tightly, so you don't have to worry about heat or smoke escaping during the cooking process. This smoker also comes with a temperature gauge, so you always know what's happening inside. It is also compact, with a small footprint that you can easily place the smoker on your patio or deck. Number 5. Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P Food Smoker. The Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P Food Smoker is a high-end option that offers excellent features and performance. This smoker has an advanced digital control panel that makes it easy to set the temperature, smoke level, and time. The smoker has 4 racks, so you have plenty of cooking space to smoke meats, fish, or vegetables. Additionally, the Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P food smoker has a unique internal layout and diffuser that ensures even heat and smoke distribution. This makes sure you get a great smoke every time. That was our list of the top 5 best electric smokers in 2023 just for you.